Welcome back. This is lesson 5 in the section of the training worksheet, pictures, and comment options. Still on the training, how to get started with Excel. In this lesson, we'll be looking at how you can select multiple worksheets. In selecting multiple worksheets, it helps you as the user to format multiple sheets at the same time and input data into multiple sheets at the same time. And to do that, you first of all select the first sheet you want to format or to input data in. Then you press your control key down and select the other sheet. Now we have lesson 4 and 5 selected. Lesson 4 and 5 selected. So I'll be applying the tab color formatting to both. So I'll apply this color to both. Good. Now you can see that the two sheets has the same color formatting. To view it very well, I'll just select a sheet that is not part of the multiple sheet I just selected in order to deactivate the multiple sheet selection. Good. Now we have lesson 4 and lesson 5 having the same tab color on the sheets, right? Because we selected the two sheets at the same time and applied this formatting color onto it, right? So that's one of the benefits of selecting multiple sheets. Secondly, we'll input data into lesson 4 and lesson 5 worksheets. So I'll select lesson 4, press my control key down, then press lesson 5. I'll go to cell I10. I'll just input status. Good. Then I will write. Let me just, for the purpose of this training, just completed and progress. I use progress. Good. Just for the purpose of illustration. So you can see I have inputted status, completed, progress. So when you select lesson 4, it's there. Select lesson 5, it's there. Right. So that's another benefit of multiple sheet selection. First, it will help you to format the sheet tab or any part of the sheet and also help you to input data into all the selected sheets at the same time. Right. So to deactivate the multiple sheet selection, as I stated earlier, just select a sheet that is not part of the uh, sheet selected, and the multiple sheets will be deactivated. So if you select lesson 5, you can see the status completed and progress, and you select lesson 4, you can also see the same effect, right? So that's how you go about selecting multiple worksheets in Excel. So this brings us to the end of this lesson. See you in the next lesson.